If you want to get the most out of your resistance band workouts, there are 3 big mistakes you need to avoid. The first thing I see all the time is people losing tension in the bands through part of the exercise. The band should be pulling against you the entire time, but if it goes slack at the bottom, you're losing the most important part of the rep. Instead, you want to tension the band so it's providing resistance through the full range of motion. The second thing is to make sure you aren't angling the band incorrectly. You want the band to stay perpendicular to your limb. So take a hip lateral raise, for example. If the band is pulling parallel to your leg, there's actually no resistance. But once you bring that band down so it's perpendicular to your limb, you're finally fighting the band and creating a much more effective force curve. Beyond just the mechanical setup, the biggest mistake is simply not challenging the muscle enough. People often think that because it's just a resistance band, the normal rules of training don't apply, but they do. Your muscles only understand tension and fatigue. You need to be aiming for 1 or 2 reps away from total failure. That challenge is exactly what triggers growth. If you want to train more effectively and have questions about your own setup, I host a live stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Come by and let's talk about it. Hope to see you there.